Gloss on, because even if you're still working hard to get exactly where you want to be, you're always the boss of your makeup bag. Okay, that was a little difficult to read, but not as difficult as I usually have. So, ooh, I heard something about lash liner. What am I getting? These are all the, I haven't even looked at it, but these are all the things that I'm getting. And it gives you a little description. It always comes with a little card to tell you how you can win more things. Ooh, and there's a $5 off. Just because we like you, it says. Aw, they like me. Enjoy the sweet score. Just visit beautybox5shop.com and enter your code at checkout for $5 off any $10 plus purchase. Ooh. Okay, so ooh, this is one thing. Factory Collection. Hydrate, Protect, and Treat. So this is one of my items. Well, let me show you how it came packaged. This was on the top, like this. And then this is what's in there. Oh, it all kind of rolled over. It's got confetti like last time. It didn't, usually it has like brown confetti stuff. So it says Soothing Refiner and Cleanser Botanical Peeling Gel, Chlorophyll Lifting Mask, Firming Collagen Day Cream. Okay. So there, it sounds like there's, comes like this. It sounds like there's 4 things in here. There is. So this one is the Soothing Refiner and Cleanser. And I think this might be the same thing. Nope, this one is the Botanical Peeling Gel. And this one is the Chlorophyll Lifting Mask. And lastly is the Firming Collagen Day Cream. Yes, I am excited to try these because right now I'm using Jane Seymour's line of skin regimen products, and I'm not crazy about how it leaves my skin. It leaves my skin a little bit too shiny. So I've been wanting to try a new skin regimen. So maybe this will be what I'll try. And if I like it, then I'll get the full size versions of it. But Beauty Box 5 and Ipsy is you get to try sample sizes of things to see if you even like them before you go and purchase the full size bottle. And you get to try things that you may never have actually tried. You may not have gone to the store and picked this up full size, but now you know. You either like it or you don't. If you like it, you go pick up the full size or go online and order it if they don't have it at a store. What else is there? Okay, so that's what that was. So if you were to buy all those things, it says if you were to buy a 2 ounce of them, it would be $28. Oh, for one of the things, it would be $28. The other one would be $38. Another one, $38. And one of the things would be $85. Ooh, maybe I won't try that skin regimen, even if I do like it. Sounds expensive. Okay, so the next thing that's in here is an Elite Therapeutics Rosemary Eucalyptus Body Cream. And it retails for an 8 ounce size for $19. And that's what this is. Okay, I wonder what it smells like. Take the little thingy off. Let's see how it feels. If it feels nice and expensive or if it feels cheap. Ooh, it feels nice and soft. It's a nice, nice texture to it. It smells so clean and fresh. I like it. I'll keep this in my purse. Okay, the next thing is Scandalous by Nana Coco Thickening Mascara. I love mascaras. I haven't found the perfect mascara yet, so I'm always sampling mascaras. If I was to buy this at the store, it retails for $4.99. And I obviously got a full size, and it's in the dark brown color, which is cool. I usually buy black, but like when you don't want to look like you have too much makeup on, you can wear like a brown eyeliner and a brown mascara, and it makes you look a little bit more natural. Looks like. Okay, looks like your normal brush. Awesome. I hope I like it. I'm looking for the, oh, I like how it snaps closed. Listen. Cool. So it won't dry out. It's called Scandalous. So I hope I like it. I'm looking for the perfect mascara to lengthen my eyelashes as lengthened as they'll get. I haven't found an awesome mascara yet. This is $8.99. I usually don't pay $8.99 for once. Maybe it's a little better than what I normally get. Okay, the next thing on my list is a Style Line and Seal Twist Mechanical Eyeliner. It retails for $4.99. And I seem to always get blue. I got another blue. Let me see. I can't open it, but this is what it looks like. It's another blue. Yes. Blue. Maybe they think I'm blue all the time. How do you open it? Because I want to try a swatch. Let me see. I don't want to, ow, I don't want to cut myself either. Let me see. I can't do it. Oh, yes, I am. I'm doing it. You just have to try. Try. Don't give up. Just try. But I don't like trying on camera and not being able to do it because it's taking up valuable airtime. I don't want y'all to get bored. Okay, come on. You can do it. There's one little piece of it. As long as I can get the lid open, I don't care about opening it up all the way. I just want to see the color. What is the color of the pencil for the eyes? Voila. So that's what it looks like. And you can extend it or you can bring it back in. Let me see if I can make a little swatch of it. Ooh, that's pretty. I really like that. That's a nice color. See that? Ooh. I look forward to using this, and it's really soft when it glided on, or yeah, is that a word? Glided? It glided on really nicely. I'm looking, okay, and here's the name of it. That's what the name of it looks like. Can you see it? Yeah, there you go. So that's that. Okay, so that retails for $4.99. And next I've got a Laugh Out Loud by Nanico lip gloss. It retails for $3.99. Laugh out loud, LOL. It's my LOL lip gloss. And what color is it? Let me close it back up and see if I can find a name. I cannot find a name. Okay, I don't know, but let me try a little swatch. It looks like a natural color. Ooh, that's pretty. I love natural colors because I don't always like to look made up, but yet I don't want to look ugly or feel ugly. So you can barely see it, but see, it looks like a natural color. Yes. We try it on top of what I already have on. I missed my lip. I made a mess, didn't I? I think I dribbled. So that's pretty. I think I'll keep this in my purse too because it's a nice natural color. So yeah, that's what's in my box this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see if I can lift the box up without it all going kaput on me. I'm not very good at holding things up. And I for sure won't be able to take a picture, a selfie of me for this thumbnail. I don't think. So this is all the stuff. I'm gonna drop it. Let me see if I can take a selfie. I'm going to challenge myself. Challenge. Okay. Let's try it. Silly girl. Tricks are for kids. Quit being silly. Okay, buckwheat. How can I do this? Seriously, man, how can I do this? Okay, you stay there, you stay there. And let's try this, even though that's not the best of arrangements that I can make. Okay, gotta hold it up so they can see what's inside the box. Inside the box. Okay. I don't like how I look. But it's not about me. It's about the beauty box. Smile. Let me see. Nah, my face looks fat. Let's try it again. There's too much shade or shadow or whatever. Smile. Well, don't smile so big. Maybe that's the problem. Okay, so I'm going to keep that second one. Okay, there's the pic. And it showed my stuff pretty well. So yay, I'll use that one. All right, guys, that's what's in my beauty box. And I was so surprised, yay. And I've never gotten a mascara. No, I think I have one other time. But I think I'm really going to like this mascara. I wasn't that crazy about one of the mascaras I got recently, but this looks like it's a nice, lush mascara that's going to make my eyelashes look longer. And I love this. What would be my favorite thing out of everything? Probably the pencil, and then the mascara, and then the lip gloss, and I'm excited to try the skin products. And this I will keep in my purse so that when you have dry legs or dry elbows or something, keep it in your purse and you always look good. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me. Joining me here again at Made with Love. But wrong channel. That's my crochet channel. Thank you for joining me here at Glama's Beauty and Fitness Journal. I've got way too many channels, people. I can't keep up with them. So anyway, thank you for joining me here for this unboxing of my Beauty Box 5, my Marches box. And that was so exciting because I got to show you my Marches Ipsy and my Marches Beauty Box 5. Marches, that sounds funny. All right, guys, I love you so much. Don't forget that Glama loves you. Don't forget to love yourselves as much as I love you. And don't forget to love everyone else that you come in contact with. Let's make this world a better world while we're in it, okay? All right, I love you. Mwah.